Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Crystal, for those who don't know me. In this video, I'm gonna share with you the experience I have for joining Toastmaster International Speaking Club. I love speaking. I love public speaking when I was in school, when I was in college. I remember back then I didn't speak English well, but I always got good grades for public speaking because I love it so much. I love the idea of being able to share my messages to my classmate, to my teacher. That's why I practice, and I just love it. I only took a few classes in college that required public speaking. After that, I didn't get a chance to do any speeches. So when I first joined Toastmaster back in 2011, the very first day, it was the very first night that they asked me to come up to answer a table topic question. The requirement is 1 minute to answer a question that the table topic master asked. I was so nervous. I don't think that I make the requirement time, which is 1 minute minimum. I was just too nervous to talk. But after that, I went back to the club, and every week, every Sunday from 6 to 8, we meet every Sunday for 2 consecutive years. I drove a good 8 miles each way to practice speaking. In 2 years, I was very confident in my speech. I even attended speaking contests, which Toastmaster does. We do twice a year, speaking against clubs, district, areas, and internationally once a year. So I was confident for speaking, but then I took myself off for focusing on writing. For a good 6 years, I did not come back to Toastmaster. When I wanted to go back, the first couple of times I joined, I didn't register I did not sign up, but I just came in to sit and observe the club. I was too nervous. They asked me to come up and say something or answer a type of topic. I couldn't. For 6 years, I didn't get a chance to speak. Now my nervousness came back. I was like, wow. From being so confident to having no self-confidence whatsoever in public speaking, that was something. So for that reason, finally I decided to join again Toastmaster back in August of 2018. It's been almost 2 years, a month to 2 years. Now I speak with more confidence. We meet twice a month. With the public speaking, it's not, in order for you to speak well, you do need to have to practice. And the good thing about Toastmaster meeting is every meeting, whether you give a formal speech or informal, you always get a chance to speak. So if that week you don't give any speech, you get to answer table topic, which is off the cuff questions. You know nothing about the question in advance, but you get to answer within time limit. So you get a chance to practice not only that, you also get a chance to evaluate speakers. So it does helps a lot when you practice. You get a chance to speak and practice. What I also find is that sometimes during before, when I didn't practice or when I didn't have a good night's sleep, I would have this negative thought that people were judging me. When they look at me, I was like, you know, all that negative thought came to my head when people look at me, which they supposed to look at me when I speak. That's the respect, that's the normal way, but your mind can play a dirty trick on you. So with how to combat that is before your formal speech, make sure that you have good night's sleep. When you have good night's sleep, your mind is well, you don't think of negative, you don't have negative thought lingering in your head while you're giving speech. So that's most important, is good night's sleep, well rested night, and just practice. And when you hear the evaluation of the evaluator talk about your speech or give your evaluation on your speech, then with that you use it for your next speech to improve on. What I think about speaking is, when you speak well, you able to deliver your message. It gives you a confidence in life, whatever it is that you are doing. Whether you want to become a teacher, a therapist, a professional speaker, when you can speak well, you feel well and you feel respected and you feel, you know, you're doing good. So in my opinion, if you can and have time, go online, search for toastmaster.org. I will put it in the link. With that, you can search for any chapter, any club nearest to your home, and the schedule that fits you. And just once a week or every other week, you meet with other members who want to improve their public speaking. If public speaking is your weakness, and I believe that most people have that weakness until they actually practice. It's not all about language. It is about getting yourself out there and just speak. All right, so that's what I have for you on this topic, Toastmaster International, which has given me confidence in my speaking. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.